performance at the World Championships in Moscow. Usain in 4, Bolt in 5, Gatlin in 6. Fair start, good start. Usain Bolt, and Gatlin all out together. Look at Jim Collins out in lane 1, but here comes Usain Bolt, pulling away after a very solid start.
This is so much better than he ran a week ago in Zurich. The Brussels fans got a much better Bolt performance. He seems very happy with it. Only his World Championship win is faster this year. And this seemed to be the right recipe. Getting out better, he was closer to both Gatlin and Usain, as well as Kim Collins in lane 1. We know how well he can finish. Bolt gets it done yet again. A win in Brussels, and his season is over.
So Bolt wins it, and with that, Michael Rogers gets up for second for the season's best 9.90. Nesta Carter in third. But here are the thoughts of the winner.
Brussels, the crowd was wonderful.
Spiders hate peppermint because it's a
Performance was a good performance. Not second class start for the season.
So placing a few drops of peppermint oils gets rid of spiders. Also it says vinegar and coconut oil, mix the two together in a spray bottle and spray it. And then lemons, limes, and oranges, making sick for the spiders.
I got to touch the hand of the world's fastest man, Usain Bolt.
And now, as the curtain falls on this year.